Hi again. So it's time to dive a bit deeper into Mongo on your own. So I want you now to do the CRUD functionality we just did. I just showed you at a high level. I want you to try to do that. So come up with some kind of object from real world. It could be a room, the room you're sitting in. It could be a car. It could be an airplane, whatever you can figure out. Try to model that inside the Mongo database. Now you can get some hints from, if you go into mongo.org, then you go into docs and we have CRUD functionalities here, or CRUD operations. In here you can open the CRUD tutorial. That was the one I looked at before. So you can go in here and you can see how do we actually do an insert. And here's how we insert into a collection called inventory. Now if you can't remember these things, you can look them up. But you have to create, I would suggest you create your own database. If you can't remember how that's done, go back to one of the earlier videos and see how it's done. Hint, hint, it's use database name, but you can figure it out yourself. And then you can add a collection here and insert your first documents inside that collection. And this is the query one, it's the find one or the read one in our CRUD setup. Modify is the update one. Try to play around with that one as well. There's the remove, which is our delete of the CRUD functionality. And then there's actually one if you want to limit the fields or whatever else you want to look at down here. The other tutorials, if you want to play around with more of the CRUD functionality in the Mongo database. So this is an exercise for you. Sit down now and play around with at least the first 4 modification types, query types inside a Mongo database. Try to make that, try to understand how you can manipulate your database just using the Mongo console. And then we'll get back to actually working with real data on the next level without going directly into the Mongo database in the next video.